Hey, this is Peter at Craft, and today I'm going to answer a common question from our users: how do I organize my content efficiently in a craft document to support writing, ideation, and more? Let's start with our first document, which simply makes use of headings to generate a table of contents. I already have a few sections in mind, so I turn these blocks into subtitles or headings. Right away, Craft picks up on them and creates a handy table of contents on the left sidebar. This is super helpful because you can jump quickly between sections without scrolling forever. It gives you a clear, high-level overview of your document structure, and it's a great starting point if you know your main topics or sections beforehand. Now in the second document, you will see I actually written out a lot more text in each section. The table of contents is still there, so I can jump around easily. But what's new here are toggles. Toggles let you hide details you don't need to see all the time, like research notes, extra tips, or any other ideas. You can also create nested toggles if you have multiple layers of information. This method helps declutter your doc and keep it manageable while still working in a single document. Next, I created a third document where each section is turned into a subpage. I left the introduction in the main view for context, and then grouped everything else by topic. You can simply select the blocks you want to group, press Command+G on a Mac, and Craft instantly creates a subpage. You can dive into a single subpage for a focus mode experience, great for avoiding distractions. You can also share easier if you only want someone to see one of the sections like budgeting and planning, without giving them your entire document. Subpages are extremely helpful because they give you a cleaner overview when you open your main doc. Finally, I converted those subpages into cards. Each section, like maintenance and upkeep or personal touches, is now a card that can have its own background color or cover image. This totally changes the look and feel. This is super helpful when you are sharing a document with your colleagues, friends, or clients because cards make a strong visual impression. You can differentiate each section with its own style. It's really up to you how you want to customize it. It's perfect for portfolios or proposals where you want to highlight each part distinctly. Personally, I love using cards when I'm presenting something it's a bit more polished or creative. It shows you really put thought into how your content is displayed. Feel free to mix and match these methods. Some people love toggles plus a table of contents, others just want subpages. It's all about finding what helps you write and stay organized. If this was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more craft tips. Let me know in the comment sections which method you are most excited to try. Thanks for hanging out today, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy crafting!